My entrepreneurial story started here at UCSB. And it started in my junior year when I made a decision based on a joke that I was going to run for AS president. And I was working in AS, and I was doing volunteer work. I ran this thing called Family Literacy, where I helped match up students on campus to go read to the families in Isla Vista for their kids that didn't necessarily have the best English speaking skills. And all these people were running for student body president, and they had been in AS government, and student reps, and parties this, and party that. And I just told somebody in a joke, hey, I'm going to run for class president. And then I started thinking about it more and more, and I asked myself the question, well, why wouldn't I? And the first lesson that I applied on my journey was really a lesson I had taken with me my whole life. And lesson number one is, you'll see it when you believe it. And most of us are trained from when we're little kids and you come to school and you get critical thinking that you'll see it, someone will believe something when they see it. Right? When you show me proof, I'll believe it. But that's not what great entrepreneurs do to live their life. That's not what exceptional people do. Exceptional people, no matter what the endeavor is, no matter what the area is, believe it and then they see it. Which means they're able to see in their mind's eye, with specific detail, what they want a future experience of life to be like. And you paint that picture in your mind with such specificity, with such detail, with such color, with such richness, that it becomes real. And you hold on to that mental image. And if there's one superpower that I really feel that I have in life, and we're going to talk about superheroes later today, is that I really feel I can manifest the things in my mind into reality. And I know a lot of you feel the same way too. I know you feel like there was a time in your life that you had this image of what your life was going to be like coming here to UCSB, and you made it real. And then you almost pinch yourself feeling like, did I do that? Did I make this thing in my head real? And so to start off on my entrepreneurial journey when I was running for AS president, I pictured this thing in my head, this future experience of this is what I was going to have. And I literally walked down to the areas where they had pictures of all the student body presidents. And I mentally put an image, like my picture is going to be on that wall. And a couple months later it was. And that's what every great entrepreneur and every successful person does. They don't tell themselves, I'll believe it when I see it. They live by the motto, I'll see it when I believe it.